Hello and welcome to Okuma. My name is Jochen Ondra. I'm the product specialist for multitasking machines and lasers in Okuma Europe. Today I'm going to introduce our ARMROID system. ARMROID is a fully automated loading system which can also do additional support jobs inside the machine with the door closed. This is possible because our ARMROID is located inside of the machine. To realize different jobs with the ARMROID, we have a so-called end effector stocker where we have different hands for the robot for the different tasks. Our first tool we have is a gripper to load and unload workpieces, but also to turn workpieces around to realize second side operation with the main spindle even in a tailstock machine. The second tool is a support roller, which we use for shaft machining, similar like a steady rest. This roller will support the workpiece while the turret tool is cutting. And the third tool is a coolant and airflow nozzle. This coolant and airflow nozzle can move parallel to the cutting tool and give an additional coolant flush to the tool. But also it can be used for cleaning the chucks before part change, and also it can clean the machine after the last part in the series. From Okuma we offer two different Potstockers. One is for shaft work, one is for chuck work. Normally the stocker is in front of the machine door, but it is mounted on rollers and can be pushed away when it's not needed. Also the arm from the ARMROID system can fold away, and for manual operation I have the same access like without a loading system. This means when I have parts which need special attention by the operator, like tight tolerances or chip issues, or it may be signal or repair parts, I can do it in the day shift when the operator is on site. And when I have non-critical parts with a certain batch size, I set it up in the evening and let it run with the ARMROID system into an unmanned night shift. Our system is fully integrated into the OSP controller. Therefore, no robot programming skills are needed. The operator just have to teach 3 points. Our collision avoidance system will automatically calculate a collision-free path around the borders in the actual machine environment. All these features make ARMROID an excellent tool, especially in machine shops with a high variation and permanent changing batch sizes. Please also check the other videos on our channels. If you need further information, contact me and my team under info@okuma.eu.